Hello, let's learn how to swap the positions using the auto layout like this. So let's start learning. First create a circle of specified dimension, like currently I'm keeping it as 44 pixel, and give a proper stroke around 2 or 4 as per the dimension. So then you can duplicate the frames or the ellipses that you have created and add the images from the unsplash from as a plugin. You can take and insert random where it will add the random images. Then I will create an auto layout. Before that I will change the stroke to white. So I clicked on auto layout and reducing the gap, so you can see I have reduced to -15. So I will add all this section into one proper frame, and it's center aligned. Then I think I'll change the background color so that the stroke is easily visible. So by this option, like auto layout settings, you can change the position of the images, like first on top or the second last on top.